Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how to speed up Windows 10. So let's dive in. Disable startup apps. First, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. A new window will appear. From there, click on Startup Apps located at the top. Now, disable all enabled apps. To do this, simply right-click on the Enable option next to the app. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the Disable option. Set for best performance. Go to the search bar and type View Advanced System Settings. Once you find the View Advanced System Settings option, click on it. A pop-up screen will appear. Here, you'll see the Performance section. Click on the Settings option under this section. Another pop-up screen will appear. From this, select Adjust for Best Performance. Now, check the options shown on the screen. After checking all the options, click on the Apply button and then click OK. Finally, close all windows and restart your computer. After restarting, your Windows 10 speed will improve. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching.